I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know.
Hey, I hope you're good.
Still with the
Thank you
dogs
for
that I
coming
beside.
back. And if you're new, welcome.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Never hearing what they say. I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love, and still love is still love, still love, still love is still love and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me, you love me.
I think this is okay. I don't know. Oksanayo, I'm not going anywhere. I just need to do my hair. Just treat. I don't know. I feel great here. I feel nice here. Yeah. Because kind of said you got the mess. You cannot visually represent how your life is looking, you know? Sometimes you need to make a change. Yeah. Anyways. Welcome to Stronger Thoughts. So yeah, this is what I always think about. We have to redo this Ponder thingy because I'm not impressed with how it looks. Honestly, especially at the back, like it's not doing what it's supposed to do. I swear. I'm praying this works. It's crazy. I'm also praying that my face is not too zoomed in. Okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, this is fine. I'm not gonna do too much. As you get to know me, you know that okay, it's not really working. Guys, I'm not this talkative, but like trust. Like imagine, like now I'm thinking about it, like I'm out here talking to myself basically. But I know that someone's gonna be listening to me talk this much. But like now, right now, as I'm taking this video, I'm literally talking to myself. So imagine if someone were to come in here, they'll be like, why is this person talking too much? As if they're talking to someone, but they actually talk to the camera. What if all this time I'm taking this video and it's not taking? Like guys, like I go through so much trauma, like with this phone, like every time I'll think that it's taking, né? Next thing I think, and I'll be like saying bomb ass stuff, you know, like interesting stuff. I'll be like venting, and next thing, like this whole time it's not even taking. So let me just check. Oh damn. Ooh. Oh yeah, it's been taking. It's been 6 minutes actually. Okay, I think, I don't know, I'm done with my hair. I'm gonna do big hairs, I don't know. Let me just fix it up back. Look guys, if you see like how messy it is on the floor. But like usually am I the only person that I prefer to flash my hair than to throw it on the bed? Only because growing up, story time. So growing up, they used to tell me that, and it's like from kids. Like I don't think my parents ever told me this. I don't think so. Maybe they did. I just don't know. But mostly I learned these things from kids, you know. Yeah, I don't know if they it's gonna be like you shouldn't throw your hair in the bin because you never know, someone might take it and then oh no, I got one. So I was like, so what am I supposed to do? Just flush in the toilet. So I've been doing that my whole life because now I'm scared, guys. As much as I don't believe in witchcraft, I don't believe in like witchcraft and all this stuff. Because I believe that when you believe in something, you are actually manifesting it into your life. So I thought that I don't believe in it, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. One thing about me, I'd rather be safe than sorry. I don't like, I take risks, like I take risks. Oh, that makes sense. Anyways, back to the here. Okay, I think I'm done. I don't want it to be here, so I'm just gonna brush my hair and like eyebrows and look sleek. And yo, this is the hairstyle for the day. This is the hairstyle for the day, for the week, for the month. Until I do my hair. Yo. And who wants someone that talks too much? If you actually don't have anything to say, anything interesting to say here at all. So guys, never forget to brush your eyebrows. Just brush them out. So get ready with me. Today I'm going to campus to write my first exam, and yeah, I won't lie, like I'm scared, but at the same time I'm like, Jesus, just take the wheel, because but like I really did my best, and I feel like I really tried to study. There's a lot, a lot to take in, a lot to like, retain, to retain all that information. But yeah, there's a lot of information to like observe, and comprehend. But just hoping for the best. And yeah, so get ready with me, come with me to campus to write, and maybe I'll study at the library. I don't know, it'll just depend. I mean, it's a Saturday, imagine I'm writing on a whole Saturday and I'm going to school. So maybe I might stay and study for my other exam. If not, I don't know. But like honestly, I just want to write, and hopefully maybe, I don't know, like hopefully, I just want to write, and hopefully like I do well. I do better than my tests, and I think I want to come back. If I don't study at the library, I want to come back and just relax, watch a movie and chill. So yeah, that's the plan for today. on a Saturday. Imagine writing. But yeah, that's it. And honestly, like, having natural hair is like another thing. Like, I'm not gonna stop complaining about natural hair. Like, I love it. I love having afro. I love natural hair. But imagine, like, now time is not on my side. I have to comb my hair every time. It's so exhausting. But anyways, join me. Guys, also hope that you guys are having like a lovely day and that you enjoyed your day. I know I didn't because I had to just study, but I'm not complaining. It's like, yeah, I don't think I would have had plans, but I think I would have. Yeah, there were plans, but I had to cancel on them, you know, because I had to choose being an academic warrior. But yeah, it was fine.
Wait a minute, don't give up my heart all in it. I just wanna be with you tonight. Like me, yeah, it's true, but I changed the thing for you. I see what it's true, and I'm for real. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love. Let's dip up that I feel. Oh yeah, it's my time. Everything's so fine. I just wanna chill. Let's dip up that I feel. I'll admit it. This just ain't no game. We can stay first. Instead of minute. You can see the thought that's in my head. Like me. But yeah, it's true. But I changed the thing for you. I see what it's true. And I'm for real.
Okay, so I was just very basic, also because I'm so scared of like getting cold. Like, guys, I'm so scared of getting cold. So I wore like a striped shirt and this was like a hoodie underneath, right? And sweatpants. And I'm gonna wear like my white Air Force Ones, whatever. Yes, my white sneakers, and yeah, I'm ready for the day. I'm ready. Honestly, I'm ready. I am ready, but like, I know I'm gonna feel very anxious when I get there. Like, just because there's gonna be so many people in one area and people holding their book, it's gonna give me so much anxiety. Like, I don't know why that happens. Like, right now, I'm just okay. I feel chilled. But like later on, I know for a fact I'm gonna be feeling very, very anxious, and I don't want that. I really don't. But wish me all the best. Yeah. Okay, so this is the fit for the day. I ended up wearing this vest because I feel really cold, and yeah, this is not enough. I don't know, like, and I'm still inside my place, but I still feel very cold. And with the bag for the day, I had to take a bag because I need to go check if we can fix my laptop and how much it would be because it's broken. But yeah, I don't know, like, yeah, I don't think you can see me from here, so I'll just, you know, maybe like position it here so that you guys can see. Okay, this is the fit for today. Inspired by winter. Ooh, I don't know if you can see. Okay. Okay, but like, yeah, this is what I decided to wear for today. And I put this on so that I can feel warm here because it's so cold today. Yeah, it's so cold. Yeah. Anyways, I'm actually prolonging this because I don't want to go. I'm not ready to ride. I won't lie. I'm not ready.